Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryshootcottage.net. So today we're using the Cricut Joy as well as the new insert card sets to make some quick and easy cards. So how quick? I'm talking cards in minutes. 2 minutes, tops. The secret is the card mat. So the card mat is exclusively for the Cricut Joy. Once you see it in action, you're going to want your own Joy so you can make all the cards for every single occasion. So, emergency birthday party. All of a sudden you realize, oh my goodness, I have to be at a birthday party in 30 minutes. You can cut out a card right at home in just 2 minutes, shove a gift card or some cash on the inside, and all of a sudden you have a gift. You didn't even have to stop at the store, and the card is adorable. So, how do you make cards with the Cricut Joy and the card mat? Here we go, let's dive in and take a look. So you're going to need the Cricut Joy itself, the card mat that is only currently available for the Cricut Joy, the insert cards. You'll need one set of these, and you may need some pins depending on the card that you pick. So let's take a look at what comes inside the insert card package. So there's enough materials to make 12 cards. So that's 12 envelopes, 12 cards themselves that are already pre-cut and folded, as well as 12 inserts that go inside the cards once you cut your design. Now, how do you cut a design out of a card itself that's already been cut and folded? Well, that's the beauty of the card mat itself. So we're just going to peel the protective sheet off the front, just like any mat. Then we'll open our card, and the card mat itself has a pocket. You put the card inside the pocket, push it all the way to the top, all the way over against the fold, then fold the card over, and it's sticking to the sticky part that's on the front of this card mat. Now it's ready to be cut in the Cricut Joy. So let's take a look in Cricut Design Space about what's different about the cards when you cut them with the card mat itself. So you'll want to look for quick corner cards in Cricut Design Space. So this is a cartridge. It's called Quick Corner Card Cuts. And there'll be more added to this, but these are just some that are in here right now. And I'm going to pick one for our blue card. So let's do this congratulations. And so you'll notice something about this. There is no card that's going to cut out. It's just going to cut out the design with the card mat, and it is actually going to locate it correctly. Once it's on your canvas, you don't want to resize it or anything. It's actually the perfect size for the cards themselves. You just want to click Make It. Then you want to pick the card mat itself. And you want to pick the size of card you're using. So we're using the 4.25 by 5.5. And now we can just click Continue, pick our material, and cut our project. There's actually a material right in Cricut Design Space that is insert card cardstock. And then you just start loading the mat into the machine, and the Cricut Joy does all the work. And then you just want to pick Go on your computer or mobile device. Now the Cricut Joy will cut your card. Once it's done, you'll just want to hit Unload on your computer or mobile device. And that will unload the mat from your machine. And then you can start removing the card from the card mat. So you just want to peel this top layer back. And you might need something like your spatula to sort of get under there and get all those bits up, depending on how intricate your design is. I like to kind of peel it back. that you have it loosened up, you can remove the card itself from the mat, then pick off any extra cut pieces. And then to finish the card, it's super simple. So you just take one of the inserts and you put it into all 4 of the corners. And this shows through your cut design. And there you have a gorgeous card made with a couple minutes using Cricut Joy. Another thing I love to do is allow Joy to write on the inside of the card for me. So you can add a pin to the Joy, just drop it and close the clamp. No need to push down. And then we'll take a card I already made and I'm going to turn it inside out. Again, use that card mat. This time I'm going to put the inside of the card into the pocket. And fold over the back of that card. Press it down onto the card mat. Then we'll just let Joy do the writing on our card for us. And there you have a card written on the inside, all with Cricut Joy. So here are just some of the cards that I've made with my Cricut Joy. So I kind of went overboard just making all the cards. I mean, they're so cute, so fun, and so easy that it's easy to just whip up a bunch. So you could spend like a couple hours and purchase a couple of these insert card kits and whip up a bunch of different all occasion cards and then just have them on hand for when the need arises. So when an emergency birthday party comes up, you just grab one from your stash and you have a handmade card that you can give to them, and they don't need to know that you made it in just minutes with your Cricut Joy. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed a look at the insert card kits as well as that card mat, which kind of revolutionizes the way you think about handmade cards. So if you love this video, love the card mat, love the insert cards, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, you can ask those in the comment section below. If you even have questions about the Cricut Joy in general, ask away in the comment section. We'll try to answer those or point you to a video that does. If you haven't already, go on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of our videos. We have already some videos on Cricut Joy with more planned. Plus we cover Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker. We have videos all the time on any of your Cricut machines. So thank you all so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this look at making cards with your Cricut Joy. Thanks y'all, and I'll see you next week with another Cricut video. Bye bye.